Aadhaar authentication. In this presentation, the following agenda is taken up: an introduction to Aadhaar, the Aadhaar authentication process, the security and privacy provisions of Aadhaar. Aadhaar is India's new identity platform. It empowers every resident of India with a unique identity and provides a digital platform to authenticate anytime, anywhere. The Aadhaar system is built on a sound strategy and a strong technology backbone and has evolved into a vital digital infrastructure. Before we go to the process of Aadhaar authentication, it is necessary that we should know why Aadhaar was created in the first place. Identity is an essential ingredient of our modern life. We live in a society of organization, and each organization has its members. Each member has an identity document, a college ID, a passport, driving license, etc. No identity document is common to all. Hence, we wanted to create an identity card for everybody in India, every resident in India, so that that can be used for multiple purposes. The Aadhaar identity system was also created from another government perspective. The need for Aadhaar project arose after the discovery of fake and duplicate records and non-existent beneficiaries in government's welfare schemes for the underprivileged. This was mainly due to the poor attempts at the verification of demographic and biometric information. The Aadhaar project will address these issues. Unique Identification Authority of India's overreaching goal is to ensure that a significant number of underprivileged citizens are brought under the UID system. Now let me answer the question, what is Aadhaar? Aadhaar is a 12-digit individual identification number issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India on behalf of the Government of India. This number will serve as a proof of identity and address anywhere in India. Aadhaar letter received via India Post and e-Aadhaar downloaded from the UIDIA website are equally valid documents. Aadhaar is a single biometric ID for all Indian citizens. Each individual needs to enroll only once, which is free of cost. Each Aadhaar number will be unique to an individual and will remain valid for life. Aadhaar number will help to provide access to services like banking, mobile phone connections, and other government and non-government services in due course. Aadhaar, a single biometric ID for all Indian residents. It is created in a process called enrollment, where a resident submits the information such as his biometric data like 10 fingerprints and iris, plus the demographic data such as name, gender, date of birth, age, address. This is collected by the enrollment agency and sent to CIDR for the verification and the issue of Aadhaar number. Who can enroll for Aadhaar? Any individual, irrespective of age and gender, who is an Indian resident and satisfies the verification process laid down by the UIDIA can enroll for Aadhaar. Each individual needs to enroll only once, which is free of cost. Each Aadhaar number will be unique to an individual and will remain valid for life. Aadhaar number will help you provide access to services like banking, mobile phone connections, and other government and non-government services in due course. The features of Aadhaar. Aadhaar will be easily verifiable in an online, cost-effective way, unique and robust enough to eliminate the large number of duplicate and fake identities in government and private databases. A random number generated devoid of any classification based on caste, creed, religion, and geography. What is Aadhaar not? It is not just another card. Only one Aadhaar card per family is enough. Collects profiling information such as caste, religion, and language. Mandatory for every Indian resident who has identification documents. An individual can obtain multiple Aadhaar ID numbers. Aadhaar will replace all other IDs. UIDA information will be accessible to public and private agencies. Aadhaar platform. Aadhaar is designed bottom-up as a platform for both government application as well as innovation applications from diverse developers. Aadhaar platform is built on the robust technology that rides on the mobile connectivity and enables ubiquity. It offers great opportunity to its stakeholders, the emerging community of technology developers, to offer a variety of user experiences in various fields. The Aadhaar platform provides authentication and eKYC services in respect of over a billion Aadhaar holders on a real-time basis. The online authentication as well as electronic KYC capability has the potential to put India at the forefront of service delivery transformation. Not only this verification service unprecedented in the world, there comes infinite possibilities of its usage by central and government agencies, enterprises, and other institutions to deliver benefits, services, and products at national levels instantaneously. Aadhaar API, such as biometric authentication, biometric eKYC, demographic authentication, OTP authentication, and OTP eKYC, are open to developers. Both biometric authentication and biometric eKYC require approved biometric sensors. Aadhaar is especially a good news for developers. The architecture of Aadhaar makes it an enabler not only benefits administrations but also fundamental infrastructure for the future of any and all services in the country. Developers can look at building compelling applications that leverage the Aadhaar platform. The developer community need to be encouraged to promote the development of applications that utilize the open Aadhaar APIs. Some of the key areas that lend themselves to build products are government benefits, financial services, banking, insurance, brokerage, payments, healthcare, FMCG, and online and offline services. Developers can build on the identity infrastructure and create application in areas like education, healthcare, and payment. Aadhaar authentication. Authentication is an essential feature of modern systems. It is a process wherein a user credentials are verified before allowing her to enter the system and conduct operations. For instance, before a user want to use a public email service such as Gmail, he or she need to log in into the system by providing username and password. The process of verifying these two attributes, username and password, before letting her into the system is called authentication. Another example is authenticating oneself before accessing a library or a journal system. Even a physical environments such as entering office or a college building or traveling in a bus need some form of authentication such as swiping identity card, showing a seasonal bus pass, etc. Aadhaar authentication is defined as the process wherein Aadhaar number along with the Aadhaar holder's personal identity information is submitted to the Central Identities Data Repository (CIDR) for matching, following which the CIDR verifies the correctness thereof on the basis of the match with the Aadhaar holder's identity information available with it. Aadhaar authentication service process is defined as Aadhaar-based authentication refers to the sequence of events during which the personal information or data of an Aadhaar holder is matched with their personal identity information data that is stored in the CIDR. What is authentication? Authentication answers the question, are you who you say you are? This is based on what you know, user ID, password, PIN, mother's maiden name, etc. What you have, a card, a device such as dongle, mobile phone, etc. What you are, a person's biometric markers such as fingerprints, iris, voice, etc. The what you are biometric modes captured during the Aadhaar enrollment are fingerprints, iris scans, and face. Of the three modes, fingerprint biometric happens to be the most mature biometric modality. Aadhaar authentication on digital platform. A digital online verification platform to enable residents to prove their identity for service providers to confirm that residents are who they say they are. Authentication IDs online real time. Authentication, are you who you claim to be? The Aadhaar authentication is one-to-one check, no ID fraud. Only yes and no response, no details, no invasion of privacy. Person can see self details, no one else can see them. Authentication services anytime, anywhere, any network. Supports answering the question, is a person is or he claims to be, is called authentication. Verifies resident information, demographics for a given Aadhaar, authentication user agencies services. Okay. Supports multi-factor authentication using biometric, fingerprint and iris, one-time password OTP, and combination thereof. Works on all widely used networks, platforms and devices. GPRS, Edge 3, G, Wi-Fi, LAN, WAN, broadband, etc. Personal computer, mobile, POS terminal, etc. Works with assisted and self-service applications. The authentication ecosystem consists of many players. Now you have the UIDIA, then you have AUA, Authentication User Agency, then you have ASA, and you also have authentication devices, and you also find a Aadhaar holder who submits his Aadhaar details to a agency who in turn will connect to AUA, who in turn will connect to UIDAI. Aadhaar authentication participants and transactions, Aadhaar holders, Aadhaar authentication devices, authentication user agency, Aadhaar service agencies, Unique Identification Authority of India, sub-auth user agencies. Aadhaar authentication modalities, there will be an Aadhaar card submitted and it will go for verification to CIDR. There is a process of one-to-one match and the answer that you get is yes or no. The other authentication devices include point-of-sale terminals, micro ATM, PDS, diverse usages, single function optimized, multifunction capable, versatile. Authentication devices. Authentication devices perform the following key functions: collect PID from the Aadhaar holders, perform basic checks on the information collected for completeness and compliance, prepare the authentication data packet for transmission as per Aadhaar authentication APIs, transmit the authentication packets for authentication, receive the authentication results along with instruction for next step if any. Who is using authentication? Authentication user agencies include CBI, ICICI, Indian Bank, HDFC, Axis, Syndicate Bank, and many more organizations. UIDI offers Aadhaar authentication that can be used alone or in conjunction with AUS, sub-AUS, domain and application specific authentication scheme called federated authentication. For example, in a federated authentication, a bank could choose to use an ATM card and fingerprint for authentication, for which ATM card is authenticated within bank application, whereas the fingerprint is authenticated against data in the CIDR using Aadhaar authentication. Conclusion: Aadhaar has built national identity system. This can be used for authentication purposes by both government and private agencies.